Andrew Wyke.
That's right.
I'm Milo Tyndall.
Oh, yes. Come in. I heard a rumour that you wanted to marry my wife.
That's right.
I thought you might have denied it.
Why would I deny it?
Well, she is my wife.
We're in love.
You're in love.
That's right.
Sorry.
Anyway, what about this divorce? She's never coming back to you, so why not just give her the divorce?
My wife spends money like water. She's born to luxury. What are you? Out of work actor? You're out of your depth, old boy. I'm going to make you a proposition. They're worth £1 million. I want you to steal them.
This is a joke!
No, it isn't.
It's also a trap. You think I'm a fool?
Well, are you?
So, what do I do?
You break in.
So good guy! I'm walking into a disappearance. Man called Tyndall. Tyndall? Do you know him?
Know him? Absolutely not. Never even heard of him.
Tyndall came to see you 3 nights ago. What did you two do when you got together?
We played a game.
Am I me now?
You're now you, and I'm now me.
Where's the body?
This is the real game. The real game has just begun. Obey the rules.
Whose rules?
My rules. Aren't you the wicked one?